Hello everybody, my name is Andrew Fieger. My project is the Smart Agriculture Irrigation System, and my sponsor is Chemeltech. Now, what was the problem that we set out to solve? We set out to create a smart irrigation system that combines machine learning and AI with physical sensor data in order to optimize watering cycles for large-scale farms. This is to help solve a bigger issue of the water crisis all across the world, and irrigation and agriculture plays a huge role in that. And then we also wanted to separate this kind of smart irrigation system from others that are already on the market, as this is not a unique thing that we are doing. However, it is a newer technology. Now, how did I solve it? Well, first it was research. I researched a ton about the software and hardware that goes into smart irrigation systems, and I utilized that to then create a user flow document which encompasses all of the things that are to go into the app that the user would eventually have to control and monitor their smart irrigation system. I also created multiple diagrams and things of that nature in order to hand off to the engineers at Chemeltech to then create a real smart irrigation system. Here I have the basically flow of what it's the user flow, however it is just in a diagram form. And then I also have the wireframe at the top there, which is basically indicates the different screens, what they might look like. It's a concept. It's not the final wireframe, however it is the concept for the app. And then down here at the bottom is the architecture for the app, and then it shows what each screen and then where you would go as you make certain inputs. Now, if I could expand this project, what would I do? I would integrate simulations in order to try and understand how the system might look with all of the different hardware and software that I want to implement. And then also real-world testing. Of course, there will have to be real-world testing in order for this to become a reality. However, I think it would be enjoyable to do in the project. Thank you.